All right, hey everybody, welcome back. Paul Hickey here with Data Driven Design, and you're watching WooCommerce University. So now I'm going to continue on by showing you the rest of the plugin pack that we use. The rest of these plugins, some are free, some are paid, but you're going to want to use them. And so far, here's what we have, but I'm going to walk you through now the next plugins that you need to install. So you're going to want to go to gravityforms.com and buy a plugin called Gravity Forms and then upload it here. And so you can see that I have purchased it and I am installing it. It is not very expensive, don't worry, it's less than $100. And when you install Gravity Forms, it gives you the best form builder that you could ever ask for. And there are some extensions that later on in WooCommerce University, one in particular that you'll want to become familiar with, and you will thank me for already having Gravity Forms installed on your website. So once Gravity Forms is installed, you can see over here on the left-hand side, you'll have forms. You'll need to put your API key in there. And once your API key is in, it will update to the latest version. It will always update to the latest version of Gravity Forms, and you'll have the ability to build your forms. Now, the next one is Yoast SEO. So this one you can search for directly from the plugin, so you don't have to upload it. You can search for it from the plugin directory from the back end of your website. And when you see Yoast SEO, which looks like this purple logo with the red, orange, and green dots, you'll install and activate Yoast SEO. The next one is WP SEO Structured Data Schema. So WP SEO Structured Data Schema is going to give you the ability to further optimize your pages and posts using schema. Yoast gives you the ability to add search engine titles, meta descriptions, and several other things like what image you want to use in your Facebook and Twitter open graph settings. But the WP SEO Structured Data Schema is a good one for adding additional product information in your schema code. Now, this one I'm showing you right now is called Auto Hide Admin Bar. And the Auto Hide Admin Bar is an interesting one. If you're annoyed by the WP admin bar when you're a logged in user, you can use the hide admin bar, the auto hide admin bar, to do what I just showed you right there and hide the admin bar. That one's optional, but you're definitely going to want Yoast. You're definitely going to want WP SEO Structured Data Schema, and you're definitely going to want Gravity Forms. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this together one more time. I'm going to upload Gravity Forms. Activate Gravity Forms. Once you put your license key in, you're going to be able to keep everything updated. Go back to plugins. And do WP SEO Schema. It's this one with the green icon, so we're going to install and activate that. We're going to do Yoast SEO. Install and activate Yoast SEO. And we are going to recommend that you go ahead and get the pro version of WP SEO Schema Structured Data. There's going to be a link and a resource to that one on this page that shows you why you would want the WP SEO Schema Structured Data premium version. And there's also a link to a resource on Yoast on this page as to what you can do, what you need to do with Yoast. Now, the other plugin that we're going to want to always have is the Voice Designer. Now, this is where you can voice activate your website for Alexa and Google Assistant using the back end of your WordPress admin dashboard. There's going to be a resource to the Voice Designer as well. But now we have our featured plugin suite, we added, just for a quick review, we added gravity forms, we added the voice designer, we added WP SEO, structured data schema, and we added Yoast SEO. Check the link in the resource below to all of the plugins for more information on how to further optimize your website using these plugins and why we use them, mainly for SEO purposes and for enhancing the functionality and visibility of your website. Stay tuned because we're getting real close to actually installing WooCommerce. And if you've made it this far, boy, you're going to be a pro at building this WooCommerce website and growing your business.